Today, for our phonics lesson, we are going to carry on learning how to spell the common exception words. So, as you can see, the words that we're going to focus on today are move, pretty, after, last, find. Remember, all these words might have something tricky that you will find difficult when you're trying to spell them. So have a little practice first at maybe writing them down. And then what I would like you to do is I want you to remember about how we find out about how many syllables these words have. So like you did yesterday, we're going to clap the word. So we'll practice with the first word. So the first word is move. So have a go at clapping it out to see how many syllables it's got. So for instance, how many syllables did the word move have? Let's try again. Move. Just one syllable. Now have a practice doing the same thing with the other 4 words. And then your challenge for today is to write your own sentences using these words. Make sure that you spell them correctly. Finally, don't forget, tomorrow is your spelling test day. Even though we're not in school, you'll still be able to do your spelling test. I will give you more information tomorrow, but here are a list of your words just in case you haven't got them.